everyone, I'm Emma, and yes, I've got my big warm coffee with me today.
And I'm Jake, and I also have coffee, but mine is, cold now, very cold, because Emma made me wait 20 minutes while she fixed her hair.
Hey, my hair is important. And also, you were the one eating a donut like a baby panda.
I do eat donuts like a panda, and proudly.
Anyway, hi everyone. We're happy you're here.
Really happy. This is our little Saturday morning hangout. Just you, us, and English learning made simple.
Before we start the main topic, we have a little tradition. We do a tiny warm-up chat, just natural weekend talk. Jake, how was your morning?
Honestly, I woke up and thought, it's Saturday. I can relax. Then my alarm said, nope, you have a podcast with Emma.
Oh, I feel special now.
But it was nice. I made breakfast, toast, eggs, sausage, and then my cat stared at me like I was the breakfast.
Your cat always looks like she's judging everyone.
Yes, my cat was born to judge.
I didn't have breakfast yet. I only had coffee. But I did stretch my legs and open my window. The cold morning air felt so good.
Ah, yes. Emma and her dramatic morning window moments. Like a princess in a movie.
Exactly. Thank you. If you're enjoying our podcast and you want more simple English, Emma and Jake style, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Your support helps us create more warm, fun English lessons for you. Okay, Jake, let's talk about today's topic, habits. Good habits, bad habits, funny habits. Real life habits that we all have.
Yes, everybody has habits. Morning habits, night habits, work habits, and some habits are really good, and some are really terrible.
Terrible, like your habit of leaving socks on the sofa?
It is not terrible. It is creative home decoration.
Sure, very creative. Let's start with good habits. Good habits make your life better. They make you healthy, calm, and organized.
My first good habit, I drink water as soon as I wake up.
Really?
Yes, not coffee, water, big glass. My body says thank you.
Good. My good habit is I write a small to-do list every morning.
Oh yes, Emma and her famous lists. She writes lists for everything. Shopping list, schedule list, future dreams list, list of lists.
Hey, it helps my brain. It makes me feel calm and clear.
And honestly, that's a good habit for beginners. If you write your small goals in English every day, even 3 sentences, you will improve a lot.
Yes. Like, I wake up at 7. I make breakfast. I study English for 10 minutes. So simple, but powerful.
Another good habit, moving your body.
Exactly. You don't need a gym. You don't need special shoes. Just 10 minutes of walking helps your mood.
I sometimes run in the morning.
Sometimes. Like once every 3 weeks.
Rude, but correct.
My habit is yoga stretches. Just 5 minutes. I breathe and my mind feels more peaceful.
You're like a calm cat doing yoga.
Oh, thank you. I like that.
Good habit, clean a little every day.
Yes! Not big cleaning, just small actions. Make your bed, wash your cup, throw away trash, wipe your table. This gives you a fresh mind.
Emma's house always smells like lavender or happiness.
Your house smells like socks.
That is my natural scent, a masculine scent.
It's a crime. Okay, now the fun part. Bad habits.
Oh no. We must confess.
Yes. Honesty time.
My bad habit. I check my phone too much.
Same. Especially at night. I say, I will sleep now. Then suddenly, 3 hours pass, and I'm watching videos of cats learning to jump.
There is nothing wrong with cat videos. But checking your phone before bed is a bad habit.
It makes your brain tired. It steals your sleep.
Okay, fine. Another bad habit. I eat junk food when I'm stressed.
Same. Last week, I told myself, I will eat healthy. And then I saw a chocolate cake, and the cake said, Emma, come.
Cakes speak to you?
Yes, but only on weekends.
Junk food is not bad if you eat small amounts, but when it becomes a daily habit, that's unhealthy.
My worst bad habit? I delay things. I procrastinate.
Same. This is our twins' bad habit.
Sometimes I avoid simple tasks like sending an email, washing dishes, replying to messages, folding laundry.
Yes, my laundry waits for 3 business days, and suddenly everything becomes stressful.
I want to say something honest. Habits really shape your life. Good habits make you feel strong, and bad habits can make you feel disappointed in yourself.
Yes. I think many people struggle with habits because life is stressful. We want to do better, but sometimes we don't have the energy.
And that's okay. We're human.
Exactly. Your English habits, your health habits, your personal habits, they don't have to be perfect. Just small steps.
Okay, let's bring the mood back up. Funny habits.
Oh no. My funny habit. I talk to my plants like they're my friends.
That's cute.
No, it's not. I say things like, hey, little leaf buddy, grow for daddy.
The plants want a new owner.
Your funny habit.
I dance when I cook. Terrible dance. Super embarrassing. But I enjoy it.
Your frying pan is your dance partner.
Yes. And we are happy together. Use simple structures. Good habit examples. I try to exercise every day. I drink water in the morning. I clean for 5 minutes. I read before bed.
Bad habit examples. I check my phone too much. I eat too much sugar. I sleep late. I procrastinate.
How to explain a habit. Use easy connectors. First, then, after that, finally. Example. First, I wake up. Then, I drink water. After that, I stretch. Finally, I make breakfast. Perfect and simple for beginners. Jake, that was fun. I feel like I learned a lot about your socks and your plants.
And I learned that your frying pan is your boyfriend.
Thank you, everyone, for spending your time with us. We hope you enjoyed this warm little English moment.
Yes, talking about habits is a great way to practice English and understand yourself better.
And remember, your small, good habits can change your life slowly, gently, beautifully.
And your bad habits can change too, step by step. If you enjoyed this episode and want more warm, funny English conversations, please like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment, "My habit is..." We love reading your stories.